Hello everyone, my name is Tajit. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a maze game in Scratch Jr. So let's start. Click continuously on tick so that it shows the cross and then click on it. So here our tick has been deleted. First we will make the maze. Click the plus icon to add sprites. We are going to paint one. So click here. OK. Choose the most size for the hand-free drawing tool. Yes, I've chosen it. Then start drawing the maze. You can make the maze look easy so others can play it easily. So first I'll make the borders. Okay, then I'll make a simple design. I'll actually make a simple one so anyone can complete it. Okay. Click here to rename it. Let's rename it as maze. Now let's click on the tick to save it. You see it's now very small. So we have to make it big. For that we have to write a script. Click on the yellow icon and drag out the one green flag clicked. Click on the purple icon and then we will increase the size by 15. Let's check. Yes, it's working. So we have our maze big. Like this. Nice. Now we can make the buttons to move left, right, up and down. So click on the plus icon again to make another sprite. Let's again paint this time. Let's name it as left arrow. Click on the square tool and I want it to be light blue. Okay, now choose the triangle tool and let's make a triangle. Click on this to shape it. We'll first click on the triangle and then we will shape it like that. And then we will drag it over to here. So you see our left arrow has been created. I mean by this was the right arrow. Click on the tick to save it. Let's position it somewhere out here. Okay. In the same way, make the left arrow, up arrow and the down arrow. Let's make a square like that. Let's give a small triangle. Let's edit it like that. Let's drag it to here. Let's name it now left arrow. Click on the tick to save it. Let's position it somewhere out here. Let's now do the up arrow and the down arrow. A box, a triangle, and then using the select tool, we will keep it here. This will be up arrow. And now comes the down arrow. A rectangle, the triangle, and then we will shape it using the select tool and then drag it until there. Let's name it as down arrow. Okay, now we have got our controls: right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and down arrow, also along with the maze. Let's now position them. Yes. Now we will make one more sprite that will be pre-drawn, and let's make it red. Let's make a small dot. Okay. And let's name it as player. Okay. I want its starting point to be in here. Okay. Let's start with the coding. First we will code our right arrow. So when it is clicked, we will send a message. Let it be orange. When the left arrow is clicked, this time we will send a red message. And the same for the others. This time yellow message. And this time green message. Let's now code our player to move up, down, left and right. Let's take out the one receive block. So when we receive the orange block, that was for right arrow, so we will move right by one step. When we receive red, that was for left arrow, we will move left by one steps. And then the same for the others. This time it's the yellow one, that is for the up arrow. We will go up by one step. And then same for the down arrow. We will receive green color, green message that was in the down arrow. So we will move down by one step. Let's just check whether it is working or not. Let me zoom in the window. Yes, it's working perfectly. But you see, it can go through the maze, right? For now, you will be seeing how can we solve that problem. Okay, so now click on the yellow icon and drag out the Start on Bump Player button. So when our player gets collided with the maze, it will go to the starting point. Click on the blue icon and drag out the Go Home. This may also make our player go home if they touch the arrows. So let's see. Yeah, if we now touch the maze, so we go to the starting point or we go to the home. So like this, our player can play the maze. It's starting to get fun, really fun. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make an orange icon. So if the player touches the orange icon, it will say you won. Let's paint another sprite. Let's keep it a square. And this time I will choose it as orange. Click on this icon to fill it with the color. Okay, let's name it ending point. Okay, so when green flag clicked, we would maybe decrease it by 2. So if you see it, it looks something like this. We can put it something here. So yeah. So when green flag clicked, it will minimize by 2. Okay. Now we will take a colliding block, start on bump ending point, and then we will broadcast a message that's blue in color. Okay? So don't use the green or the yellow or the red or the orange. Otherwise, it will not work properly. So let's make one more last sprite. Let's draw it. Give a freehand tool. Let's give it yellow color. And in big handwriting, let's write hue 1. I think I should give a exclamatory mark. Yes, let's name it as U1. Click on the text to save it. So on start, so when start on green flag, we want it to hide. And then give the end block. And when we receive the blue message, then we will take a repeat loop. We'll repeat 4 times. We will show. Wait maybe 3 seconds and then hide. So it will type of fashion. Then give the end block. Let's check whether our code is working or not. So first it will show and then it will hide. So now let's play our game. Okay. Maybe I can go type of it's type of hard to play. from going into this piece. Maybe we can reposition it a little. Yeah. Now let's see the result. Let's click on the down arrow. Let's go a little right. Carefully. And when we click, it shows you won. That's so nice. Let's play it a little more so it's interesting. Cool. It shows you won. So this is how you can make a basic maze project in Scratch Junior. Hope you enjoyed this video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.